Take 743. Hello, welcome to Annie Buns. Today we are making custard slices, but not your normal recipe you find on the internet. This is my own recipe, so hope you enjoy it, and this is what you're going to need. So for this specific recipe, you are going to need a packet of cream crackers, 4 eggs, 125 grams of butter or margarine. I'm using butter. 6 tablespoons of corn flour or maizena, as I know it. 6 tablespoons of custard powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. A tin of condensed milk. I put this on special. Milk. And then last but not least, and highly recommended, a glass of milk to drink with, because we're gonna get thrifty. Oh yeah. Okay, so the first thing we do is we're gonna take the bowl. We're gonna pack the biscuits in here. You know I love my spray and cook. So in this specific bowl, I can put 3 next to each other and 4 down. Put all of them in the same direction, and then when we finished, we're gonna put them exactly the same on top. So when you do cut them, you can get a whole biscuit per slice. Okay, next step. Okay, we're gonna need a fairly large pot. So in this large pot, we're going to put the condensed milk. Open, says me. Sticky, messy. Okay, if you're just using a normal stove, you can switch on your plate so long. So now we're gonna use the same tin and just fill it with milk. 3 tins of milk. 1, 2, 3. And then put the butter in. It's melting. Butter in. Snappy on. Okay, we're just gonna stir this until the milk starts boiling. So the butter must melt, the milk must boil. It shouldn't boil over or boil for a long time. It must just start boiling. Then you can switch the heat off, or you can just take it off the plate. Leave the plate on because we're going to be working after that. Okie dokie. While your milk and butter's boiling, melting, all of the above, take a bowl and then you add your 4 eggs. 1. Oh, there's a double yolk. 2, 3, 4. Just mix them up. Nothing serious. Then we're gonna add the, what's this again? Corn flour, maizena, the custard powder, and we're gonna mix it up. But you have to mix it until it's nice and fluffy. Okay. Start slowly so that you don't have powder going all over the place. And please use a mixer, not a whisk. Okay, and mix. It's not very floofy like when you bake a cake, but it is floofier. While you're waiting for your milk to heat up and your butter to melt, you can add your teaspoon of vanilla essence. Get your biscuits close by as well. It's going to start boiling. I'm going to pour just over half of this in there and then mix it. So you have to mix it quickly because your egg yolk will start solidifying if you don't start fast enough. Don't worry, it doesn't happen instantly, but do it as quick as you can. And then mix that all up. And then you're going to pour all of that in here. And then we're going to mix it until it's thick, nice and thick to pour in there. And it does require you to taste and make sure it doesn't taste powdery. Boil now. Come, you can do it. You can boil. I promise. It's boiling. So here we go. Pour half to just over half in there. Mix it. Okay, and you're gonna mix while you're pouring in. And you're gonna mix it until it's nice and thick. Okay, just a quick taste to see if it's not floury. I think it's good. And look at that, nice and thick. So now we're going to pour it over your biscuits. Flatten it out nicely. Okay, now remember I put them all straight down. So you pack your second row of biscuits on top. Okay, I know it looks bigger now because the bowl goes slightly out. let it cool down for about half an hour or so, and then we put it in the fridge. And then I will see you later to show you how to do the glaze for the top. Just need icing sugar and hot water. It's very easy.
A few moments later.
Okay, so for the icing on top, you need 2 cups of icing sugar and about 40 milliliters of boiling water. I think that's 40 milliliters, whatever. I'll be kind and use a whisk. Add the water in and mix until it's like all mixed up in a nice runny, but not too runny, whatever. No lumps. It could be a little bit less runny, but that's fine. And then you take your cooled down custard slice mix, pour it over, spread it out, put it back in the fridge for about 2 hours maybe. Just let this set nicely. Okay, spread it all over nicely.
2 hours later.
Voila, you've got a fantastic custard slice. Well, you know the drill. Please subscribe, please like, comment, share. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
What he said.